In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time in laptop. So first of all, click on start icon in this laptop, and after that click on settings icon, and it's open settings menu. And as you can see, here is lots of settings icon or options. You need to select this time and language. To change the time, click here, first option, date and time, and it's open another window. And here showing it's automatically set time zone, it's turn it on, and set time also automatically it's turn it on. So that's mean when you connect it to the internet, it will automatically synchronize time with your internet connections on your region. So to change time, then click here to change date, and as you can see showing here, you need to select month and date here and time also, then click on change to change your laptop time and date. Pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my videos. See you on the next.